We just finished a Security Council meeting, and the meeting is because of the situation that we're experiencing in the state. You are all aware that the tenure of the council chairman ended yesterday, and today we have ordered the head of local governments to be in charge while they wait for further directives. It's really unfortunate that we started hearing some disturbing news from some LGAs of invasion of council secretariats, and it's really, really unfortunate. So we have called the Security Council meeting so that the needful will be done. We are also aware that our enemy is also planning a lot of things, but we will not fall into that plot where we will allow him or them to destroy the peace that we're enjoying in the state. Let me also say this. I am also aware that there is also a grand plan to come and arrest some of our supporters. This time around, you have to pass through me to arrest them, because I don't think there is anything that any of those people following us have done rather than stand on the side of truth. If it will cost us our life to stand on the part of truth, we will do that, and I will be the one that will lead this cause. Let me assure everyone, more especially the great and peace-loving people of River State, the law is the law. The law has said that there is no extension of tenure. The court said so. And whoever is assuring anybody anywhere of whatever, I advise them to desist from it, because peace is what we need in this state. Peace is what we need in this state. Please, I assure every one of you that whatever it takes to make sure that we maintain peace and order, we're not going back with that. Thank you for all you're doing for us. Moreover, the media people, you've really been on watch for us, and you've been doing very well for us. Thank you. God bless you.